Hey, John Lee, I got something really cool in the mail for our gadget of the week. So I know I did a review on the Wyze Cam 3 indoor-outdoor camera, might have been a month or two ago. And I wasn't real impressed with it at first, but I really just had to do another test after bringing it up closer to my modem. I found that it actually works really well. So, as you can see, I purchased 3 more. So, these little, I'm not sure, I should have looked, I know. I'm not sure if these guys will actually be better for indoor or outdoor, but I've been using it for a baby camera and I'm not sure how many I can hold on there, but I'll shoot you some of the examples of what it looks like, just so you can see. But these are really affordable. I think these were like 30 something bucks a piece. I got a 3-pack for 100. Hopefully it'll support all 4 of the cameras. Once I get them hooked up, I'll let you know, but I decided that these are actually well worth your investment. These are a great little camera. The delay really isn't that bad. Just adjust the resolution, make it a little bit lower. These are the Wyze Cam 3s, the indoor-outdoor cams. Be sure to check them out. They're really, really cool. I think you can get a lot of use out of them. We've had trouble with baby monitors and other things, so once I saw that this worked really well for a baby monitor, I decided that I might try to use them. I know I shouldn't for home security or surveillance, but I'm going to anyways because I think they're pretty good. So I'll let you know what I find out and I'll get back to you. I'm John Lee. This is your Gadget of the Week for April 12th, 2021. Until next time, I'm on to the next one. So this is how easy it is to set up the Wyze Cam 3. Once you get the app, sign up, make an account. You can see I've already added, I have 3 cameras. I have to add 1 more. So, top left, you can see the addition symbol. Hit that. Add device. We're going to add a camera. Wyze Cam 3. Says plug in your camera. Wait for it to blink, flash red. Mine's flashing red. I will lift it up from the base. You'll hear it when I push the button.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect. I heard that. We'll punch in my Wi-Fi name.
Ready to connect. Ready to connect. QR code
Scan your QR code. And that's literally how long it takes. Setup completed. So this will be my front porch cam. And maybe later we'll share that device. And then you can do the upgrade. I'll go ahead and do the update. And you can see how long it takes. Hopefully it doesn't take very long. But as soon as it's updated, you're ready to go. So, and it does look like the picture is pretty good on this, so I'd have to give it actually a 2 thumbs up. I apologize on my previous review. I didn't realize that it had to be on the 2.4, or that, you know, if it was a little closer to my modem, obviously that's a wireless issue, not a product issue. So the Wyze Cam 3 is actually a great indoor-outdoor cam. I've only tried it indoors, but I will eventually try it outdoors. And so hopefully you guys will get one of these. These are great. Obviously this is not a substitute for home security, and I'm obviously not a home security specialist, but as far as a camera, it worked great for a baby cam, and I'm definitely going to use it for my surveillance. Each one of these does have its own slot for a memory card, little micro SD.
Wyze Cam 3 does offer a support monitoring for this, but you're on your own there. Look into it if you think it's worth it to you. I think, and I'm hoping there's some features on here that will let me loop record and then just self-delete after a 24-hour period. I imagine you would need a pretty big memory card, but do your research. I know that the quality's good, and it does have two-way sound on it, and so I think that this product would be definitely a 2 thumbs up, good for anybody. So I hope you try it, and I hope you like it. And then once this comes up, there we go, all done. Your update went great. So we'll hit done on that, and you can see. I don't know why it is giving you this. I'm gonna say don't ask me again. I don't know why it's asking me that. But it is. So. That way I can see the cars or whatever. And so that actually looks good to me from that angle, but I could see how you can see the kids playing out front. If anybody were to break into the cars or anything, boom, you got them. So that's my Gadget of the Week product review. Oh, let's back up so you can actually see this here. So here you can see that at least will support at least 4 cameras, which is really cool. And just that quick, I can go to my baby cam. I can check on my backyard. I can check on my living room. And there I am walking around. Pay no attention to my messy house. And then automatically check on the kids playing in the driveway. I hope you like this review, this Gadget of the Week review. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I'm John Lee. I'm on to the next one.